Hi, I'm Hieu, a criminal defense attorney based in Orange County, California. Today, I want to discuss the significant role that text messages can play in sexual messages, often serve as pivotal evidence in sexual assault investigations. Prosecutors may use them to support the alleged victim's account. Messages expressing regret or apology can be interpreted as acknowledgement of inappropriate behavior. They can also be used to establish the accused's state of mind. Apologies may be presented as evidence of guilt or awareness of wrongdoing. They can also be used to fill evidentiary gaps. In the absence of physical evidence, text messages can strengthen the prosecution's case. For instance, a message like, "I'm sorry if I hurt you," might be used to argue that you knew your actions were non-consensual. However, such messages can also reflect politeness or empathy rather than admission of guilt. It's important to know apologies or admissions. Understanding the difference can mean the biggest factor in guilty or not guilty or being a conviction. In California, under Evidence Code 1220, your statements, including text messages, are generally admissible in court. However, it's crucial to understand that an apology doesn't necessarily equate to guilt. Apologies can stem from various reasons. Politeness or regret. You may not have intended to cause discomfort and are expressing remorse for any unintended harm. Cultural or linguistic differences. If English isn't your first language, your word choice might be misinterpreted. Conflict avoidance. This is an interesting one and happens all the time. A lot of individuals apologize to smooth over misunderstandings, not because they did something, but not because they admit guilt, but they just don't want to fight. Under Evidence Code, Section 780, the jury must consider the context of these statements and assess the credibility of the accused. A skilled defense attorney will ensure that your messages are properly framed so the court understands the true intent behind your words. It's important to watch for traps too. These are called pretext communications. Law enforcement may use pretext calls or texts in sexual assault investigations. This tactic involves the alleged victim often collaborating with police, initiating a scripted conversation to elicit an apology or incriminating statement. For example, receiving a message like, "Why do you keep going after..." Scratch that. For example, receiving a message like, "Why did you keep going after I said no?" could be part of a pretext communication. If you respond with an apology, it may be used to build a case against you. If you find yourself in such a situation, avoid replying to accusatory messages without consulting a lawyer. Preserve the communication. Save all messages for your attorney to review. Seek legal counsel immediately. Consult with the criminal defense attorney if you suspect you've been contacted through a pretext call or a text. Text messages can significantly impact the outcome of a sexual assault case. This is even if the case happened 20 years ago. Understanding how they might be used and taking appropriate precautions is essential. If you're facing such allegations, it's crucial to consult with an experienced criminal defense attorney who can guide you through the complexities of your case. I'm Hieu, and I hope this information sheds light on the role of text messages in sexual assault cases. If you have any questions or need legal assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to my office. Thank you for watching.